Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to use Android mobile as mic for PC by the simplest way. So let's go and see it. First of all, go to the Google and just type Woo Mic and hit enter. Then go to the first link. It is the official website of Woo Mic. Scroll down and here is the two softwares that's needed for the Windows. So we just download it. Save on desktop. Also save on desktop. So we go to the desktop. First of all, we install our drivers. Install. And I have already installed it, so it is asking me for the update. I say no. So we are going to install this Woo Mic software. Double click it. Okay. Next. Install it and click on the finish. Now we go to our Android mobile. In mobile, just click on the Play Store and type Woo Mic and click on the Woo Mic and just click on the install. Now just click on the open. Then just go to the settings. In settings, just click on the USB and change it to Wi-Fi. That's all. And go to your PC now. In PC, just open Woo Mic client. So here is our connection and here is our mobile. So just go to the connection and connected and go to the Wi-Fi and here is our IP. So just click on the start at your mobile. It's asked permission, allow it. So here is our Wi-Fi IP. Just type this Wi-Fi ID to this IP address 198.168.100.3 and click on the connect. And your mobile mic is connected to your PC. So we are going to test this mic. So just go to the Audacity, open it. Here we change our mic to Woo Mic and we just record it. Do more things that makes you forgot to check your phone. Now this is from our Woo Mic. By this simple way, you can use your Android mobile as mic on PC. So guys, thank you for watching this video guys, and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.